Imagine walking through a garden where the flowers are whispering secrets of the universe, and you're the first human to hear them. Meet Dr. Flora, the botanist who stumbled upon this extraordinary phenomenon called floral dialogues. Picture her wandering through fields of daisies and tulips, only to realize they're not just blooming for beauty, they're sharing wisdom. This groundbreaking discovery introduces a new philosophy, petalism. Petalism suggests that every flower holds a piece of ancient wisdom. You just need to stop and listen. The roses might tell you about love's resilience, while sunflowers share insights on positivity and growth. It's like tuning into a floral podcast, only with petals and pollen. So next time you're near a garden, pause and absorb the wisdom of the flowers. Who knows? The secret to happiness might be blooming right under your nose.